Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
You never do nothing at all to deserve this. Nothing at all, me G. Me a go and stay strong and a pour out the liquor. R.I.P. You never do.
Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So viewers and subscribers, now I'm going to talk about two incidents that took place in Jamaica, people. And one of these incidents took place in St. Ann and one took place in St. Mary. Viewers and subscribers, these two incidents is just something where draw to my attention because one of the deceased, you know, because it's two men that was killed, people, and one of the deceased is somebody who I know very well and someone who I work with before. Well, viewers and subscribers, the first one I'm going to talk about basically is the one down in St. Ann, and it is where a 23-year-old young man was killed on Saturday, January the 2nd, people, 2021. In St. Ann, as I tell you, in Brownstown. Well, people, it is said that this young man who is 23-year-old took a taxi, people, right? And was coming out of the taxi when, you know, like him going at the back for get him bag and something, when an argument developed between the driver and him about the bag. Some, you know, miss up, go on, this and that, people. Well, viewers and subscribers, it is said while the argument is there, escalated, people, the youth comes a boom and pull a knife, according to the reports from the police. You understand? Take and pull a knife, people. It is said that him rush towards the license man. You know what I mean? License man comes a boom and pull him gun, which the taxi man is a license firearm. Older people. It is said that the taxi man comes a boom and pull him license piece, people, and shot this youth 2 times. After that, them rush him to the hospital, people. Him drop out. Him never make it. And he is 23 years old. Him gone. His mother, who live overseas, people, is crying out. She is bawling out because she's saying, people, she's 55 years old now, and she's saying the youth send her happy New Year's Day on January the 1st, people. Mom, I love you. And to know the news come to her on January the 2nd that her son was killed, people. She said she last saw him in person back in 2017. And she was planning on coming soon to Jamaica. But you know, because of the COVID thing and the restrictions and things, that's why she wasn't here earlier, people. And to know that her son is now gone. Viewers and subscribers, she said she feel it so much because she try her best with all her kids them. You know, and she do her all to ensure they have a proper and a great life. When I do look into this story, people, and from the reports, you know, according to what they said, he pull a knife and rush towards the man and the man pull him like a piece and shoot him 2 times. Boy, it's just one of them days where I have to say, only just sees and no one just say the devil work. You know? It's the devil's work, people. Jano, look how much taxi man out there and how much taxi man do carry a license piece. Or what should be, people, according to what they said, right? He do pull a knife. Who to tell what he will do with that knife? I know it's not easy, people, but I heard they have the taxi man in custody. You understand, pertaining that for questioning and thing. I am not sure if they release him or anything like that, but and I haven't sure if no charges has been laid against him as yet, but they are saying police still carrying out their investigations and thing. But all I'm saying, viewers and subscribers, it is the devil work. And sometimes we, as young people, you know, we may be very ignorant and thing, but sometimes we have to learn how to deal with things, you know. Not because we carry that 3-star the power, but we not really quick for use it sometimes because we never know sometimes a man will come to something faster. And this is a life. This is how the devil work. So easily, so quick. Him ready to take away your 3 points and that's it. Him just go squeeze it away from you. Easily like that. You know, but all I can say, people, may his soul rest in peace, and my condolences to his family, his mother, his father, and everybody who are mourning the loss of this 23-year-old young man. Jano. Well, viewers and subscribers, as I told you before, it's 2 incidents I'm talking about. And the next one, it's about a 28-year-old man from up in a St. Mary, people. Up a place them call him Highgate. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. I told the people, this youth is someone who I have conversations with before. This youth is someone who I work amongst before. You understand, people? And in the end, people, they said on Sunday. So the first one happened this Saturday, people. And this one happened on Sunday, the 3rd of January 2021. This youth was walking through a pathway, people. You know, going towards his yard and thing. And it is said that a neighbor that he have and him reaching an argument, people. I don't know what do God does with the argument and this and that, people. But it is said that the neighbor who is a licensed firearm holder comes a boom and wheel off in peace, people, and squeeze two upon him. His family tried their best to rush him to hospital and try to save him. But unfortunately, he never make it. He passed away. And his mother, people, cried out. She bawled out. His father speak out. Say he can't believe. Because just minutes before that, him and this son was having a conversation. And he left him at the yard. So him not expect, and when he got there, so like he got next door where the mother is, he hear a gunshot and he would say to the mother, you know, say there's a gunshot that me hear around the door. But him not pre in his mind, people. Say, I am son. And when he comes to boom and check a stack, him here say, I am son get shot. He couldn't believe. The mother said, right now, people, she believe she's so shocked and to know that what took place and what happened. But after reports and things, people, and investigations, there are a lot of things saying that this youth was like kind of have a little problem, people. And, you know, people do understand his situations. They do know about his condition. And in the end, it never have to be this way where this man going to pull a license piece so easily and squeeze it upon him, people. And he's gone. He's just 28 years old. Leave a daughter who they said this youth I love so much. They said he will do anything for his daughter. It's like the world, everything. If he could give his daughter the whole world, he would give her, people. He would do his best. He would go his all out. And in the end, his life was taken away from him by a licensed firearm holder. So basically, people, we have 2 incidents in Jamaica, 2 by this neighboring parish. St. and St. Mary, which is just neighboring parish. And 2 incidents occurred, people, where 2 young men's life was taken away by a licensed firearm holder. In the end, this is a sign to show youths in Jamaica, listen me, we have to learn to control with temper. We have to learn how to control this thing what we have inside that we call anger. Because sometimes, people, we never know how our next man stay, as I stated before in the first segment that I covered about the first story. You never know where next man stay, when we have upon him. And you may come to boom and pull it, but deep in your mind you're not going to use it, but you just pull it to scare him. But when him comes to boom and pull for him one, him not think about you being scared or anything. All he's thinking about is fee him 3 points. And him a go bust it. Him a go beat it. You understand? Viewers and subscribers, in the end, we know this is a situation, people, and it's police have to carry out the investigation. So if it's in a case where be easily outside the youth, because I never get no reports of no attack and this and that, go on, he pull nothing, I never get that reports, you understand? So I don't know the fullest behind it, why he just comes to boom and wheel it out and shoot him. But in the end, people, as I said, his mother is saying, you know, he has a problem and they know about the situation, and he asks them to help, you know, with certain things, but they refuse, and in the end, they still kill him. All I can say, people, Jamaica, this year going to be a very vicious year, going to be a year where we are going to last many, and all we have to do is just trust in the Almighty, pray to God, you understand, pray for him to cover us, because if we don't have God in our people, we in a trouble, we in a problem, you know. And this, it's just sad. 2 life gone, you know what I mean, by 2 licensed firearm holder. A youth we are 28, a youth we are 23. Only Jah sees and he knows. Viewers and subscribers, enough love, enough respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. You understand the attacking boss of that. More life and blessings. And remember, please subscribe. And after you subscribe, please hit that notification bell. So as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect. I'm out. Big up.